right, what up, YouTube? So let's go ahead and dive into another. Oops. So I'll see this. I don't know what's going on here. So, anyways, let's dive down and talk about forex indicators versus naked forex. I've been talked a lot about this quite a bit, and a lot of people were asking me, what is there a main difference trading indicators versus just trading price action on, right, with no indicators at all. And I want to give a little insight, because back in 2018 is when I made that shift to change over to naked forex. And there's a huge difference in my trading versus, back from 2017 to 2018, it was nothing but indicators. But in the end, right? So at the end of July of 2018 is when I finally said, you know what? Let's go ahead and shift into just solely candlesticks and price action. So this might be just like a re-update video from what I talked about last year, but I want to give you guys as much insight as I can based on the way I trade currently now and what to look at when you use indicators. And I will try my best to make individual indicator videos for you guys, and also uh more naked forest if I can. So anyways, let's hop into here. We hope that you guys Friday is going good. Happy weekend. Happy early Valentine's Day weekend for you guys, those of you that are married or have a girlfriend, boyfriend, or significant other. So anyways, let's hop into here. So I want to hop into UJ. Let's talk to USDJPY here. Talk a lot about this pair. It is not my favorite pair anymore. I'll be honest. My favorite pair right now is US 30 and then gold and then the pound. But I won't be talking too much about that. So let's hop into here. Reason why I'm talking about USDJPY is because it's an easier number to work with, right? 3 digits in the front, 3 digits in the back. And also, this is an all universal based pair where you could scalp, and it has the lowest spreads compared to euro to the dollar. So now, based on what you guys are looking at right now, all I have is two horizontal lines, right? And I'm indicating, my highs and lows on the daily based on what has happened so far for this week, right? So this is going to be something that if you choose that you want to do it, that's on you. I do it for me, so I understand the price gap at the highest and at the lowest of the week, and also daily highs and daily lows. Now that is that is based back on price action, and I'm looking just at candlestick structure too. So if you guys are looking into using indicators, I'm gonna take this all out so you guys don't get confused here, and I'll hop into a few indicators so that you guys don't get too confused here. Whoa, okay. Come on. I'll start with the Bollinger Bands. I really like the Bollinger Bands. Number one reason is because whether it be the daily chart or whether it be the 5 minute chart, it gives you a range. So it gives you a price range. And what I mean by that is that it marks the high, the low, and mid range. The most important price to pay attention to is your mid range, because where you're trying to identify is where is the trend, right? You can see that the candlesticks on the 5 minute on USDJPY has been trickling down below. This is I believe, yep, the 20-day moving average. So if you guys wondering where I got the 20-day, is right here. We'll go to settings. So the inputs is the 20-day. Now, this is all default settings. And if you were to use your MT4 mobile app, that's what it would be. It would be your 20-day simple moving average. And I would tie that Bollinger Band, be honest right now, I would tie the Bollinger Band and add the moving average. And I've done this multiple times. The moving average, now TradingView has it listed as the 9-day. Now on your MT4 mobile app, it would be a 10-day. So you got the 10-day and the 20-day working side by side. And anytime that it does a Anytime it does a crossover here, there you go. You would be basing your sell and selling it back down. Notice that these two moving averages have not crossed, and price is still going down, right? Going down. So very important to understand. Well, I believe someone's trying to call me. I will be back. Sorry. So, darn. Yeah. So, anyways, oh man, I gotta cut this video short. I apologize. So what's going on here? Oh man. Okay, so I gotta get going. But anyways, I will make a part 2 video on this and explain a little bit more on indicators versus naked forex. But so far, you guys can get a chance to see how I was using the Bollinger Bands a couple years ago. So, but if I were to take this all off, I'll make this quick. If I were to just take this all off and we were just based on price action, notice that price is creating support here. So is it justified to sell the position? No, it's not, because you just seen a whole bunch of consolidation right here. So that's when it gets tricky, right? Because people are like, well, it's it's creating support, so I'd buy it. But if it doesn't go up, then it's going to create a new leg going down, and you have to justify yourself if it's worth scalping for a really short amount of pips at this at the on the 5 minute chart. And plus today's Friday, so is it can can you you know can you really capture the amount of volume, right? Because if there's a lot of traders coming in and out, then yes, you can. But with this kind of volume, there isn't really a whole lot going on. And if the price is already being consolidated around here, and there's not a lot of movement, then it is not. To me, I can't justify myself buying or selling based on looking at this time frame. Now, if we were to move to a 1 hour, now you can see that the big picture is that it's going back down. Okay, and we know that there's major wick here at the 105.2. It's already down at 105.9. Me personally, I would place a just small position of selling it back down to retest 104.8. So that would be a 7 pip range. So 7 to 10 pips that you could capture here. Now I know you don't not going to make a lot of profit, trading micro lots of USD JPY. It is not the highest payout currency pair. It's something that you could easily work with this price and also the structure. And so when it moves, it moves. But obviously, when it's consolidating, there isn't a whole lot to look at on this currency pair. And to be honest, I'm going to be talking a lot more about this pair, and I will look into. No, I'm going to look into. I will try my best to showcase US 30, gold, and the pound, and those by far are the three major pairs that will make you the most amount of money in profit wise trading. So other than that, that's it. I do have to get going. Yeah, I gotta get going. So, anyways, I will catch you guys later on the next video tomorrow. And happy Friday, happy weekend, happy Valentine's Day. Right? President's Day is coming up. With President's Day coming up, you guys have to understand that it's a U.S. federal holiday. And I will talk more about that later on a different topic video on why you shouldn't be trading on US federal holidays, because there's not a whole lot going on, but I'll make that video separate for you guys. Other than that, peace out.